Okay, I still had a little bit of paint left, and as you can see, a lot of paint here on the table. So I'm getting my photo paper, and let us do a little bit of taking this off the table and doing something with it, because I love those colors. They are really pretty. But I don't have enough white to do some nice swiping. Let's see. Oops, dropped right in the middle there. Yeah, that's not much. So let's just get some of this off here. Take another piece of photo paper. I get a lot of questions about the photo paper, and every time I answer, and every time I get the same questions. Where do you buy it? I don't buy it. Well, I do, but not anywhere where anyone can buy it. It is it comes from the Kodak, and they, just had a bad batch, so they sold it to some sort of person that buys bad batches, and that's where I bought it. So you can't buy it. You can only buy it in my shop, because they don't sell to just normal consumers. But it's Kodak Extra Life waterproof paper. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. So I scooped up a lot of paint and put it in a cup. And I have a tiny little canvas here, which we are going to put this beautiful color on. This is beautiful color, it really is. So we're gonna let it go all over the place and come down here and come down here. And a little bit of green down here to bring it together a little bit. That's it. Letting it go over. Making sure the sides are all covered. There it is. Oops, one corner left. That's it. Okay, let's see about torching. That's that. Then I want to use the comb. My hands are so full with. Somehow this doesn't do as well as the other one. The other one was much easier to use. Not liking it. So when all else fails, what we do is we do a, how do we call it? I'm lost. So that was that. I cannot come up with the word. I really can't. Oh yeah. yeah, swipe, swipe, swipe. We're swiping. I just could not come up with it. And now I want to move it because I don't like, you know, the swipe going up and down. See, now it's sort of moving and making its own pretty little patterns. That's what I like a little bit more. And this way. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that. That is perfect. Tomorrow we're going to do some more push and pulls because I'm sort of into the push and pulls lately. I like doing that. Wow, that is amazing. This is nice too. Okay, let's see if we can move it some more. Oh, this is taking forever. It's nice. We can use this for testing the top coat. That's okay. We'll just leave it like this, like it is. And I'm going to clean up this mess in a bit. Then I'm taking a nice long hot bath. I like that. That is pretty. Let's see, get you in focus. There it is. Yeah, we can use this for top coat just to test it. I might not even clean this, put the top coat on this because there's a lot of silicone in here and we can see what that does with the silicone. That'd be good. But that'll have to wait till next weekend. Okay, finished. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Oops, you're out of focus and I gotta put my little painting away. Yeah, and the rest of this stuff, that it isn't something that you're going to enjoy because as I tried it just before, as you can see, there's not much selling stuff in here unless I put a darker color on top and then do this. Then you see it sell. See that? And I'm not really digging how the cells are forming either, so I don't know why that is. Let me see if I can get that all to the middle and then make it come down. I think my paint might be a little bit on the thick side. That's it. That could be it. Because I thought it was pretty much perfect, but as you can see, that's nothing. See how they're breaking up? You don't want that. That is not appealing at all. So I'm going to stop this video. I'll just upload it as is. I want to thank you guys and see you in the next video.